This is just the sweetest, coziest cottage bedroom I think I have ever sat in. We are so happy about how it turned out, and I can't wait to share this like final reveal with you. So I did give a little sneak peek in a previous video while we were hanging the wallpaper, but we've wrapped up this room, have done all the final touches, we've hung curtains. We finally put up this full-size antique bed that I got off of Facebook a long time ago. It's from the 1800s. It was a screaming deal, and I just bought it and I've been hoarding it, and I felt like this was the perfect space to put it up. So that's something new in this room that you didn't get a glimpse of in my previous little sneak peek. We've got a rug. We hung curtains. Did I already say that? Anyway, it's finished, and I can't wait to share it all with you. As I am making up this bed, I want to share with you about this Savvy Rest Vitality Topper. Now, if you have been with us for a long time, you may have remembered our master bedroom reveal in our last house and how we upgraded our mattress. It was like the best thing we've ever done. I tell my mom, my sisters, everyone, the Savvy Rest mattress products are like sleeping on heaven. They are just absolute heaven. And they're made out of organic latex, which is so incredible. So you can rest assured that you're not sleeping on a mattress that is going to be putting off chemicals and off gassing as you're sleeping on it and in your home. So it's safer, healthier, but really when you're looking for a mattress, I'd say the number one concern is comfort. Again, I tell everyone, it's absolute heaven. For my husband and I, we have the like full Savvy Rest setup. We have their mattress, and then we've added the Vitality Topper. And again, it's the best. It's so comfortable. But I know that's not always like possible. Getting a mattress is investment, albeit a very good one. But I did want to try here in my daughter's bedroom to just top her mattress that we already had for this bed with the Vitality Topper. So it's not a Savvy Rest mattress, but we've added the Vitality Topper. And I wanted to see if that was just as comfortable. I know it's a healthier option if you can at least get the layer that you're actually sleeping on to be organic, and so it doesn't off-gas while you're sleeping. That's kind of a better option. So once we made up her bed and put this Vitality Topper on here, gave it a try, I knew right away it was like a major improvement. So if you just already have a mattress, you can't afford to replace it, but you need some more comfort, you maybe want to try switching out your mattresses to more organic, but can't afford the whole thing, getting the Vitality Topper is an amazing option. It was actually so funny the first night my daughter slept on this after we made it all up. She was kind of like, it is really hard to get out of bed in the morning. She says it is so comfortable, the most comfortable thing she slept in, which I'm just so happy about. I really value our bedding and the quality of the things we sleep on. I think it's better for our body, so I'm just thrilled that she loves her new mattress. Something else that's really important is to protect your mattress. So I highly recommend Savvy Rest's organic waterproof mattress protector. It is such good quality. I have it on our bed as well, and I'm trying to upgrade all the kids' bedrooms to this mattress protector because once you've bought a mattress or a topper, you want it to stay nice for a very long time. So highly recommend this mattress protector. So let me tell you a bit more about this bed as I'm making it up here. It's really high. I don't know if you've ever had an 1800s bed, but I'm guessing they built beds for storage under the bed. So it was really high, and we put a couple of our trunks that we already had, and they have like the dress-up clothes, toys. They actually fit perfectly under here, so I'm pretty excited. And I think this bed is absolutely gorgeous. But I knew right away I would want some kind of bed skirt, so I put this pretty little ruffled bed skirt on here. I can link everything that I've got in the description below if you want to check that out. But I actually love how this tall bed now has a skirt. It just looks really beautiful, and we are loving it. So to dress the rest of the bed, I just got these like almond color cotton linen sheets, and I thought those looked really good against this wallpaper that kind of has a creamy color into it. It's just all coming together to give this room kind of that antique, cozy cottage vibe. And then I think it is really comfortable to just sleep with a sheet and a big fluffy linen duvet and duvet cover. I actually have always like layered another blanket in between the duvet and the sheet, but when I went and stayed at my friend Kristen Hoffman's house, the bed I was in, she just had the sheets with the duvet, and there's something like extremely comfortable about that. It's like fluffy and warm enough, but light enough to like let your body breathe. It's like sleeping on a cloud and in a cloud. Is so wonderful. So that's what I did for her bed. I just kept it simple with the duvet and the sheets. And last time I shared this room, I actually got a lot of questions about this duvet. So I got them a long time ago, like 2 homes ago. I'll actually share a picture here of the bedroom that I bought these Rachel Ashwell duvets for. They're so beautiful. They're 100% linen, and they have these like delicate little floral prints in them. It's just so soft and sweet, and I've been holding on to them every move because I absolutely love them, and this daughter in particular loves them, and she didn't want anything else. So we were good to just reuse that for her bed, and it fits the room perfectly. So I can link this Rachel Ashwell bedding down in the description. I love her shabby chic style. It's really fun to integrate that into this cozy cottage vibe. Some other cool features in this room is this hutch that I picked up on Facebook as well. It's not an antique, but it's this cute buttery yellow color. It's great for storing some of her things. We've got an antique nightstand that I've had for a while, a cute little antique stool that we can set beside her bed with flowers. This thrift store rocking chair that I picked up for 15 bucks a long time ago. It is so comfortable. And then of course I've hung some of the art that I've collected through the years around her room that she loves. Anyway, I think that's really all I want to say about this space, and now let's just tour it and enjoy it, and I hope you find lots of inspiration as you come along with me to see this finished cozy cottage room for my daughter. Well, my friend, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel inspired. I hope you realize what a blessing it is as a homemaker to create beautiful spaces for our family. How much of an act of love it really is to pour your heart into a space and make it reflect their personality and to be a space that they can really enjoy. So it's well worth the effort, and I hope just seeing what we've done here has inspired you to do the same, to take a little more effort into your kids' spaces and make them feel like they're at home. Thank you so much again for joining me, and I'll be back very soon to share more inspiration for the keeper of the home.